Hi everyone, this is a screencast to demonstrate how to give the NoMachine software permission to use your MacBook's microphone, which is needed in order to play sounds from Phoenix and NoMachine on your MacBook. Step 1, if you are running the NoMachine software, quit it. Then open System Preferences, find Security and Privacy and go to it. Choose Privacy, unlock the lock, go down to Microphone, check the checkbox for NoMachine, and then click the lock. And now, fingers crossed, NoMachine should be able to play sounds for you on your MacBook.